and I basically from Maharashtra, Pune. So I was in batch number 14, and within 3 months, I succeeded in one job. So let me give my background first. So I was having experience in manual testing for 4 years, and after that, due to layoffs, I lost my job, and I am trying for manual testing. I trying to find manual testing jobs, but in market there is a lot of no opening for manual testing, and there is a lot of opening for automation as well ETL testing. So first, someone suggest me to have ETL, sorry, automation testing with Java Selenium. So I did that Selenium Java course, but I was not much more comfortable with that one. And also I tried a lot with Java Selenium, but I was unable to crack the interview. So I wasted 4 to 5 months there. So my employment gap was also increasing. So I came in contact with Jay. So after that, I took the this ETL testing training with 3 months, and I prepared well with the SQL queries, Unix, and data warehouse concepts. And within 3 months, I well prepared with various topics in SQL. And I started to update the LinkedIn as well, Naukri profiles, and I received many more calls. Daily, I used to receive 2 or 3 calls, and I gave 3 to 4 interviews, and I selected in one of the well company like Datamatica, and I got a good package here also. So this is my story.
So you got two offer letter?
One. Actually,
One.
my employment gap is increasing. That's why I
Mm-hmm.
stop.
Mm-hmm.
Once I get offer, I directly join. They
Mm-hmm.
was looking for urgent joining. That's why I joined.
Mm-hmm. One offer letter you got. So Kunal, how you were preparing daily basis? Like I was taking classes for you, I guess morning only, correct? Weekend morning,
No.
Friday,
I was
Saturday.
in evening batches.
Acha, evening batches. So,
Yes.
like daily, how many hours you were giving to prepare full syllabus, and how difficult this ETL testing to prepare, and the
Yeah.
questions in interview they ask whether it's from my syllabus and all. This all questions I want to know.
Okay. First, uh, just watch the videos. What the judge is explaining in the videos, and you can practice outside the outside also, like in Oracle uh, terminal. You can practice there.
All
That's
Oracle
it.
Online SQL, correct?
Yes, Oracle Online SQL. I used to just revise the concepts, look the videos, and practice practice it. Practice is the main uh, component, you can say.
So
And
you.
coming to interview,
Hmm.
uh, all questions like 80 to 90% questions are asked from your syllabus only. And
Mm-hmm.
main questions was like they ask for duplicate queries, null queries,
Hmm.
highest salary, first three highest salary, or
Hmm.
questions based on row number, row ID, then
Hmm.
views, joins, uh, two questions compulsory asked on joins, like inner join,
Hmm.
outer join.
That I
Uh,
already
they
explained.
asked to write the
Hmm.
query for the all joins and
Hmm.
ask how it works, or
Hmm.
explanation for the joins.
Hmm.
Then one of the interviewer also asked me annual queries. How
Hmm.
you can update the null value with
Some
like
value.
digit numbers,
Default value. Hmm.
and some interviews are the date functions also.
Hmm.
So these are the common queries like duplicate. Every question I ask, they ask duplicate query,
Hmm.
and so 70 to 80% they will ask on SQL only, and
Hmm.
some of after that they will ask for two questions for data warehouse
Data value.
concepts,
Hmm.
and Unix also they are expecting like just basic
Hmm.
command. They didn't
Hmm.
ask in much more detail, but they just asked basic of Unix.
Yeah, one or two command only. What is a CP command will do? What is move command will do? That's all.
Yes, yes, yes. Like they just asked me which queries you know, just explain that queries. So I
Hmm.
just tell them 4 to 5 queries, and they said just yes, okay, okay.
Hmm.
So no need to go in deep. Just you have to tell them 4 to 5 queries. That's it.
Hmm. So,
So you
so
were
my code.
lucky that they asked you like that.
Yeah, actually, I faced two interviews. So both the interviewer asked me same question. That explain what which Linux queries you are prepared.
Sign same questions will be there for the ETL testing everywhere.
Yes, yes,
I
yes,
gave I am also sometimes giving interview. And whatever the questions they were asking 5 years, 6 years back, same question they ask for 11, 12 years also.
yes, yes.
So
This uh, duplicate, null, and hash salary. These are the common queries, and 2 or 3 queries they ask at the much more advanced concepts. So practice is the main key. If you practice well, you can crack that advanced queries also.
yeah, advanced query
Where
also.
in
And
where in Pune are
Yeah,
you from?
yeah. Actually, I'm from Pune. I live in this Kharadi.
Aradi. Acha.
Yeah, how is the project explanation your
your voice is very low, Hitesh. Speak loud.
project explanation project?
Yeah,
What
initially they
project you
just
have?
ask your introduction. In
Mhm.
introduction itself, you can explain the project.
So how you manage the project? It's not
How
real
you
time.
manage ETL testing project, Kunal? He's
Yeah, yeah,
asking.
yeah.
Uh, how which project you have explained, whether it's a mine project or
Yes,
which
yes,
project
yes.
is it? Yeah.
Actually, I was working in one of the manual testing. So
Mm.
what I did, I put the same name from my manual testing project, and I uh, put the architecture from the what the Jay has explained. So I give the just name for my company and architecture from Jay's explanation.
Hmm.
Okay.
So whatever, see, four types of project I'll explain you. Whatever
Yes, yes.
project, whichever
Same project
project
I
type,
explained. Just
uh,
I give the name for my previous company. That's it.
so whichever the like company name, you can put anything. The
Yes,
explanations
yes, yes.
will be same only.
I did the same.
Hmm.
Kunal, how did you cover your months of career gap? Oh,
Actually, I my last working day in last company was the 30th of December. So 8 to 9 months gap was there. So actually, I tell them some family problems.
So he has not taken
So
anything. He went genuine only. He did not made it fake. So he got. It took
yeah,
him one
actually,
month and
my
a half.
experience was in manual. So there, in experience certificate itself, the position was QA tester. So nobody asked me that which specific profile you have worked, like manual automation or ETL.
So Kunal, I guess that's why they gave you little bit less. I feel like little less they gave.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, my
Little less.
employment gap was increasing, and I
Uh,
was also fear that whether I will get job or not.
yeah,
That's why I joined immediately.
yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
in future, after 1 or 2 year, I will try for better one.
8 years of experience, people, they are getting 30, 31, 32 lakhs of package.
Yes, yes. I
Hmm.
have 4.5, I guess.
So one lady, she got 31 lakhs of package in a 7.5 or 8 years of experience.
Okay, okay.
So you
uh,
also try after 1 year,
Yes, yes, yes. I
increase
will
your
take
package.
some experience here, and definitely after 1 year, I will switch and
Mhm.
I will get
Sure, sure.
good package.
Sure. Anyone is having any questions from him to
Kunal,
ask?
Are you
how many
working with offshore clients?
Previously, I was working with offshore. Currently, also they currently my training is going on, and they said me that you will they will provide the US client.
Mm. Okay, and
I am from Pune and I am from USA. So that's why I asked that question.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Previously, actually,
I
I was
live right
to
behind
West
Karadi,
Bengal.
where Mundua.
Yes, yes, Mundua,
Oh.
nearby Kolkata.
okay, so Kunal, let me understand. So, whether I was able to complete the course in 2 months in batch 40,
Yes, yes, yes. In 2 months.
and the definition wise, explanation wise, everything proper till the end.
Yes, yes. Your explanation and even back support was also there.
So
Like
yeah.
whatever and many questions like students asked. So uh, every
Hmm.
question was answered well and satisfactory. And
And
lot of back support was there. So this is back support plays a very important role.
hmm.
Motivation and back support. These are the key.
And Venkatesh session help you group discussion.
Yes, yes, yes. Group discussion also was taken by Venkatesh, and
Hmm.
uh, uh, we practice a lot and learn a lot because
Hmm.
everyone's answering some different points and so I
Hmm.
used to note that points. So if help in interview preparation and like practical scenario based questions also covered in that by Venkatesh.
Hmm. Yeah, like
So
group
sometimes
discussion.
interviews are strict,
Hmm.
so they just judge you on practical based scenario.
Yes, yes, definitely, yes.
Like I give first interview, and
Hmm.
he was not much as technically, but he just the practical questions.
Hmm. No, some interview will go like that one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So sometimes you will get like a higher level of people like solution
Yes, yes,
architect or
correct,
someone who
correct.
will think that you are a developer kind of knowledge only. So they will ask
Yes,
you
yes.
so much
Like
depth.
he asked me, uh, if you apply some transformation logic
Mm,
on some tables,
mm,
and you are suppose you have thousands of records. So will you check each and every record? So yeah, he asked that question.
that is fine. Okay, and Kunal, I wanted to understand, uh, like, are you happy after joining my, and getting job? You're
Yes,
satisfied?
yes, yes, sure. Because I was much more in a depression condition because literally manual testing has no job opening right now because they just uh, manual testing jobs are just based on 2 or 3 years experience, and after a 4 to 5 years experience, there is a saturation. No one is
Mm,
asking you for the job. So
yes.
I was from much more depression, and I did some Selenium and Java course as well. But whenever I give some interviews, so I stuck with Java. So it was much more difficult for me to crack the Java interview. So this ETL has a good scope in future also, and I go get a good job.
Hey
That's why
Kunal,
I'm
hi. Did
quite
they
happy
ask
with
you
this job.
Python in ETL automation questions or only
Just a minute,
Python
just
they
a
are
minute.
asking nowadays, Python little bit they are asking, not expert level, but mainly
No, no, no.
focusing
No one
60-70.
asked me about the Python.
No, I'm telling, I also attend sometimes interview, no? So they will ask
Mhm.
you SQL 60-70% question, and
Yes,
few
yes, yes,
one
correct.
or two in some interview they will ask you one or two questions. How can you write the function? How will you
Yes,
display
yes,
your
yes.
name? So those things only they ask in Python. So they also know that you are a tester, so you may not having the coding this one experience. And Python is introduced some 1 year back in ETL testing. So they know that like you'll be not knowing if proper ETL testers will be taking the interview. They know the pain of adding new technology. So they will not ask you. SQL 60 to 70%. your interview depends on SQL. Still, it's a depends on SQL. Anyway, I'm going to take
Yeah,
your file.
they will ask you scenario-based SQL questions, or they'll ask directly to write down the
Anything,
query.
anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
Mostly, we prepare for the SQL queries. If you clear the SQL queries, they will not consider your other questions. Like
Usually,
that.
how many technical rounds will be there?
Two minimum two it will be there.
Okay.
Then your manager round and then your HR round.
Yeah, manager round was not much more technical. They just ask like general questions, like one or two SQL simple SQL queries and database questions. Then they told about their roles and responsibility. Then they ask whether you are comfortable with this profile or not. Then about salary expectation and it was just about 20 to 25 minutes
Mm-hmm.
manager.
And like whatever the project explanations, whatever the drive access you got from me, everything is
Hmm.
proper arranged, no? Like Kunal, anything you want me to add?
Yes, everything was proper. Everything was proper.
So you did not face any problem. And whenever you called me
No,
or
no, no.
whenever
I
you were
didn't
having,
face any trouble with project or project explanation or any queries.
and whenever
Yeah,
you
just
called me,
you need to practice SQL. That is the main key to crack the interview.
and Kunal, like whenever you need help, I was there, no? Like you got proper help from me, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Whenever I need, I used to message Jay and I got a
Kunal, how
reply
many
from
years of experience you told in ETL testing?
4.5 years.
Oh,
Complete manual testing, I told him to convert in ETL testing, whatever I am telling
Yes,
you.
yes, yes.
And then whole project, like four project he has mentioned in his resume, for all ETL testing only, and then he got selected. And
Yes,
see,
correct.
first two interview it will go up and here and there, but third interview
Yes,
onward
yes.
it is going the flow, like what type of question they are asking.
Once you
He
give
said yes,
initial
no.
for one or two interview, then you will get much more confident. And from third or fourth interview, you will be definitely selected
Yeah.
because you will get the overall idea in first or second interview that what kind of questions they are asking, and your confidence also will boost in first two interviews.
Okay, guys. So
Kunal, any ETL tool they ask you, like which tool you work, like in Informatica or
No, they didn't ask me. Just they asked project explanation, and they once I explain 4 to 5 minutes project explanation, they directly jump into SQL. In a project introduction, they just ask like in project explanation, I told them that this tool I was using. That's it. No, not much more specific question on that.
Okay, thank you.
okay, Kunal. So any comment, anything like how many hours per day you were preparing, Kunal? That I want to know.
Just I used to prepare 2 hours daily.
2 hours
Just
daily.
yes.
Uh,
I used to watch your recording, and
hmm.
after that, I self-study that SQL part, and whatever the queries I used to practice on Oracle's server.
Mhm. Oh, perfect.
That's-
Okay, Kunal. Okay, Kunal. Thank you so much, Kunal, for joining, and all the very best for your future. So let me know after 1 year, 2 years also if you need any help. Please ping me back. Okay,
Yeah,
so
sure.
don't hesitate. People are after 2, 3 years also successfully doing job. They are coming, and then when they want to switch, they are like they are taking help again, and then they are getting multiple offers. So package, how much you got, Kunal? 14 it is.
Yes, 14 LP.
14 LPA, 4.5 years of experience, correct?
4.5 years experience, 14 LP.
Okay, so someone is asking, how did you cover your career gap?
Like I had a gap of 8 to 9 months. So I tell them that I had family problems.
Hmm.
Yes. So I told
Okay.
them that my father had some cardiac attack, and I was the
Hmm.
only caretaker for him. So
Hmm.
it requires to cover for 5 to 6 months, and I was mentally disturbed. So in this way, I told them.
Mm-hmm. That's why little bit 2-3 lakhs they gave little less package, so that is not the problem. Okay. So
Yes,
4 years we can expect 16, 17 minimum, but just work for 1 year and then you switch, you may get
yes,
23,
yes, yes. I
24,
will
25.
definitely plan for in future.
Mm-hmm.
But for this time, I was also in pressure. That's why I joined. As soon
Yeah.
as I got letter, I directly said that I will join.
And for this batch, Kunal, I have added Python, Databricks, PySpark,
Yes, yes,
as well
yeah,
as ETL automation. So whenever you get time, please join us.
yes, 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 sure,
It
sure.
will help you in a current project or somewhere like after, you know.
Yes, yes, correct. Definitely, I will join and will study.
Yeah, hi Kunal.
Yeah,
Mhm.
hi.
Yeah, I want to know like what is the working culture like in manual testing? I have also worked in manual testing as well as automation testing. I want to know like what is the working culture over the like manual and automation and how you are working now in ETL testing.
Yeah, okay. Right now, I have joined just 3 to 4 days ago, but they are giving me proper training, so I don't feel any trouble. Like as I have shown ETL experience in ETL trading. So like same as manual, they are giving the same KT and all. So I
Okay.
think no need to trouble, no need to worry.
Okay.
They will
Culture
give
Okay.
is
you,
same. Culture is
they
same
will,
as manual trading.
they will give you
They
one
are
month
giving proper KT.
approximately, yeah, 20 to 25 days. You minimum you will get as a KT session learning things, and your
Yes, yes, yes.
environment will be set up. Your software will be installed. You will get the access for the other software, whatever it may. The whole process will take 20 to 25 days minimum in any
Yes, yes, yes.
organization, and then you will they will assign you like some of the document like table wise and mapping wise, and based on that you have to create your test case and all these things. So definitely 1 or 2 release, they will help you definitely. Like 2-3 months you will be treated as a babies, and then in ETL testing, and then later on they will push you more. And like in ETL testing, no, if you sit for 3 hours, 4 hours work continuously, whole day work will be done. Not, unlike other things, its complexity level is very less, just very less. Some of the tables will have a 1 lakh records, some of the tables will have 1,000 records only. So in that only you will validate and close the chapter for ETL testing. It's like quite easy only. As he told that in demo session, I told like when you prepared Java Selenium and all, it will be nightmare. Like it will take your 6 month, 8 month time, and after that also you will end up with nothing. Okay, so it depends on like how good you are. If you are extra ordinary, then only you will be able to clear your interview in 6 to 8 months in Java Selenium or automations part. But in ETL testing, you don't have to be, very good. The basic things only you should know. Little bit complex basics to the little bit medium or complex level of SQL. If you know, you are done. You are good with the, working in IT culture or ETL testing project. So that's what I told in demo class also, same thing. And whatever I'm saying, that is 100% true. Whatever, I'm not bluffing anything. I will not tell anything lie, whether like you join or not. But whatever I have explained you, that only they are going to ask. I am also time by time I am attending interview. If I see any trend, new trend, I'll implement, immediately in our courses, like how PySpark is introduced, ETL automation is introduced, Python is added. Same thing. Earlier, like 6 months, 1 year back, I was taking normal ETL testing only. But from past 1 year, I was modifying with the cloud project and all. So how the market trend will be there, you will get all the help. Okay. So next one, thank you so much, Kunal, if you are still there.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
What tool do you use for testing?
So he just started working only last week
I
only.
just started work. Just
Two
KT
days
Okay,
session
you
back.
is
did
going
start
on.
use.
So
Hmm.
they just
Okay.
not allocatable.
Oh,
Wednesday or
okay.
Thursday, which day you have joined, Kunal?
Yeah, Wednesday I joined, and 2 days
Uh,
I spent in HR, and just
hmm.
yesterday they started KT sessions.
Hmm. So he'll be not knowing. Okay, guys. Okay, Kunal, thank you so much. All the very best for your future. Let me know if you'll have you'll need any help. You may drop me a message in WhatsApp and we'll connect. Okay. So no need to worry. If you will be feeling difficult also in a project wise, I'll explain you a little bit on that. Okay. So, but go through the project architecture properly, and then you will be able to know that whatever the concept I told you, that 5, 6 scenario, keep in mind count validation, data validation, minus query, whatever I have told you, all these things keep in mind, same thing only in ETL testing, everywhere it will be done. Okay. So there is no rocket science, there is nothing. You understand the requirement properly, create your test case with 6, 7 scenarios, or check the format of your test case from the back team, your colleagues and all, and then do accordingly. So if any challenges, call me. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Jay.
Yeah. Thank you, Kunal. Anything else you want to add in the last to the new student? Any message you want to drop?
Yeah, just watch the videos regularly, prepare regularly, and once after 2 or 3 months, you will get definitely place. Regularity is the key for your cracking interviews.
Yes.
Consistency.
Regularly attending classes, correct?
Yes. Regularly attend classes and practice the SQL queries consistently.
Which
20% of
company you got the offer? Can you tell
interviews
me?
will, yes, sorry,
Company name, no, don't mention what is
Datamatica.
it. No, no, why
Datamatica.
you,
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Kunal, you supposed not tell that. Okay, it's fine. But okay.
Okay, Jay, I want to know one thing. Like, I was getting 7 LPA now. I have 7 years of experience in manual as well as automation. Can I switch to a job which is paying high, 14 to 16 LPA?
Yeah, definitely. 7 years, 8 years of experience, 31 lakhs people got in ETL testing. So you got 7 years, 7 lakhs of package. Mostly you will get 18 to 90 minimum you'll be able to reach.
Yeah, actually, I was working from home, so for that reason, I have not changed that
Uh,
organization for long
hmm.
period and stick to that organization. So the salary range is very low. So can I get my salary from 7 to 8 LPA to direct 16 LPA?
Yeah, definitely. Because already your salary is very low. I told you, like
Yeah.
one of the lady, she is having 11 years, 10 years of experience, and she was getting 10 lakhs of package only. So just now she got 23 lakhs of package. Like
Okay.
three offer letters she took, and then she reached 23 lakhs of package. One person, 14 years of experience, he was working in IBM company. Okay, he was working in IBM company. 14 years of experience, 13 lakhs of package. 30 LPA, 13 LPA, 13 LPA was the package. So he called me and then, Jayant, how will you help me? Your experience is less than me. So will you able to help me or not? I told, join. I'll try to help you. I'm not taking complete, guarantee that like I'll be able to help you. But if you'll put effort, maybe I'll be able to help you. So he joined and then he put really good effort. He was also working in a manual testing only in IBM company. So he put effort, and then after 2 months, he called me and then he told me, hey, Jayant, I got three offer letter. One is 26 lakh of package, one is with the 24 lakhs of package, and same company, IBM company, retained me for the 23 lakhs of package. What shall I do? Shall I go for the other company or shall I stay in the current company? So I told, if 1 or 2 lakhs of difference is there, then don't switch. You can switch after 6 months. 23 can become 20, 35 also in after sometimes. Then he stayed back, 23 lakhs, same package. It's got increased 10, 12 lakhs, and 23 lakhs. He stayed in the same company, IBM only. And after 6 months, 1 year again, he switched to 35 lakhs. So these are the suggestions you will get it. I don't, I'm not telling that all the times that I'm going to help you. I will give you my level best. I'll try to transfer my knowledge to you. It's up to you, how good you are taking, how good you are taking. So whatever the doubts you will have, I'll be always there to help you. People call me in the night, evening, morning. So I talk to them. Okay. So I don't never denied. Like after completion of the course also, if you'll have any doubt, wherever you will get stuck, you join another batch, you join group discussion. Okay, so you join, like you call me for any doubt, you want to attend anything, you want me to explain anything. Me and bank test also putting lots of effort, and I'm very thankful that I got bank test also in my team. So he's also putting so much effort. He will make you perfect in all the group discussion and all. So, but but you have to attend the classes regularly. So whatever Kunal was very regular. I observed one thing. I remember also in batch 40 when I was taking classes, every day Kunal was joining. And he was joining, for sure he was joining. Kunal, are you there?
Yes, yes, yes. I used to join regularly.
So I observed that, like, and I told in the class also, joining regularly classes is the key method in your success. Okay, so whether you join, you are from the non-IT background, you are from the teaching background, or you are from the IT background, manual testing background, automation background. So you have to join classes regularly, and you have to, class by class, you have to prepare regularly. Don't wait for so much to be stored and then you start the things. Okay. Okay, so let's start with the things. Or shall I start tomorrow, guys? New thing. Is that fine? So your guys, shall I start tomorrow or shall I continue with this?
Yeah, tomorrow you can start tomorrow.
Okay, and now we'll discuss about your installation problem, guys. So okay, so whoever is facing installation will discuss installation problem.